What's up, everybody? This post is basically a version 3.0 update on the carpet extractor that I put together last year. And I wasn't the first person ever to do this, so I'll never say that. There was a couple companies that basically designed a kit just like this. It was not a bolt-on, but it came exactly like this: a vacuum hose, water hose, extractor head, a valve, and a water connection. And they sold this in order for you to use your standard shop vacuum that you'd have for detailing, for vacuuming out the inside. They allowed you to adapt this and turn it into an extractor. Now those wet dry vacuums have a lot of suction. If you get like a 5 or 6 horsepower Husky, Rigid from Home Depot, it's very strong. You can get them on sale usually for 99 bucks, and they come with some hoses and whatnot. Basically, this little update from the one I had last year, I used to just buy this clear plastic head, this part to this part. They always sold a kit where it's a collar, a metal tube that would connect the collar and the nozzle. It was like maybe $20 more, and for whatever reason, I didn't think this was gonna fit on a vacuum hose, like a standard one. So I always would just buy this, and I used rubber. It's like a plumbing coupling that would join PVC together, like a flexible coupling. And it just didn't look right. It always kind of bothered me. Someone named Bruce, I'll tag him in the Instagram, sent me a DM last week showing me a revised version. He saw my YouTube video. He took it a step further and kind of tweaked it and streamlined it a little bit better than I had. And it looks amazing. It works just the same, but it looks way better. Now, what I personally did is a little different than his. I got rid of all the quick connects. I don't want any fittings where it could leak, really. Besides the copper fittings here, I don't want any quick connects on this water connection at all. I just want this to be screwed in with the Teflon tape, and you're good to go. So this is threaded right into the valve. There's an adapter here, a reducer from, I think, 1/4 inch to 1/8. This is a nipple that's connecting it, and it's strong, it's not moving. This is a little bit of a different vacuum hose. I just use this so there's some water in here still. And then I have, this is a 10-foot hose. I left about 2 feet, and I have a water connection right here that threads on. Now you hook this right to your vacuum cleaner, this to the garden hose. I have hot water hookup in the garage. If you have a shop and you do detailing full time, you most probably have a hot water connection. Even if you have a slop sink that has the threads on it, this will thread right onto that, and you will have an extractor. You might have to have a jumper hose, or if I build one of these for you, or if Bruce builds one, or if you take it upon yourself and build one after you see these videos I put out, you can get a 50-foot air hose. That's all I'm using here. And it's pretty cool. This works extremely well. It's a little bit late, so I'm not gonna get into like a full video of extracting anything right now. I just was kind of messing around in my car. But this will be used in the future. I have 2 friends, Walter and Mario, who I promised I was going to make these for, and I'm just waiting on more of these to come in. I'll put those together. They could give it a good review and give me their honest opinion on it. The thing works amazing. I would never spend $1,500 or $1,200 on a mighty extractor. It's a ridiculous amount of money. So this is what it is. And I will do some more videos if you guys are interested in this. If you're on the West Coast, hit up Bruce. He'll put one together for you. If you don't want to source the parts yourself and fiddle around building it, hit him up. He'll definitely build them for you. He's in the Cali area. He might even ship them to other states. If you're local to Long Island, you know I'm always tinkering with stuff. If I know you personally, I'll definitely build you one. I'm just going to charge the parts, and then I'm putting on top for labor. But that's pretty much it. Hope you guys are doing well.